And after its senior leaders defied Election Commission strictures over the Model Code of Conduct, the Congress government has started working on giving the code statutory backing. This would mean that code violations will then be covered by law and tried in court and will therefore fall out of the purview of the Election Commission. Government sources say the group of ministers are looking into this likely proposal would not be seen as a confrontation with EC, adding that this has nothing to do with recent incidents involving Salman Khurshid or Union Steel Minister Beni Prasad Verma.
From where this idea has come, but in the GOM agenda there is nothing.
In fact, that was Pranab Mukherjee who has said that, who has completely run down that there is any such idea in front of the GOM.
From where this idea has come, but in the GOM agenda there is nothing.
My knowledge, there is no such thing on the agenda. There is no such thing on the agenda. As far as I understand, it was agreed that once the elections are over, there will be an all-party consultation on issues about electoral reform, many of which are being pushed by the Election Commission itself. But collective view of all the political parties, since they are stakeholders, must actually be taken so that we can conveniently pass this in Parliament. What will be on the agenda will only be known once we get closer to that meeting. But as far as I'm aware, in the agenda, draft agendas that have been prepared, this is not something which is specifically there. But you know, if it's raised by any political party or any leader during the course of discussions, then we will take it as and when that happens.
No, I happen to be in the group of ministers that deals with this issue. We have not dealt with this issue. No, we have not dealt with this issue. That meeting has not taken place. I don't have the papers. I can't tell you offhand if there's a meeting scheduled for tomorrow. If it is true, whether this is part of the circulated papers or not, I don't have that information. Had I had that information, I would have told you. But in any case, even if there is a proposal, the group of ministers is yet to consider it. So you cannot say this is the proposal of the government. This is something that is to be considered. See, what happens in the course of any government office is that the bureaucracy proposes A, B, C or D. Right? Then matter comes to us. Sometimes we accept it, sometimes we reject it. Sometimes we accept it with modifications. Sometimes we suggest an alternative course of action. So this possibly cannot be any government disposition at this point in time because we have not even considered the proposal.
Whatever decision is taken, we will do a considered decision. We should know it is the Congress party and the UPA which always supported the autonomy of the Election Commission of India. We have all been supporting. In fact, along with the Election Commission members, as a minister in charge of the Election Commission and others, we had about 7 national consultation everywhere. We have been together on books.
देखिए, मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट व्यवहारिक होना चाहिए. माननीय चुनाव आयोग को सम्मान के साथ हम इतना अनुरोध करते हैं कि चुनाव कंडक्ट करना एक बात है और चुनाव लड़ना और लड़ाना दूसरी बात होती है. मैं इस बात को साफ कर देना चाहता हूं. कांग्रेस पार्टी माननीय चुनाव आयोग का पूरा सम्मान करती है.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की परेशानी ये है कि उसके सभी नेता बड़े छोटे बार बार मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं. इट्स अ पार्टी ऑफ सीरियल ऑफेंडर्स ऑफ द मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट. Its leaders have absolutely no concern for it. और इसलिए उनकी जो रिजर्वेशन है, उनकी जो घृणा है मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट के प्रति, वो समझ आने वाली है. ये एक षड्यंत्र है